Today I have a Houndstone EX box. Like, this thing is so big, I had to pull out the big camera. So, it says it has all of that, and he's just big and marvelous. So let's get into this guy. Oh, I feel bad ripping it, because I do like boxes, but this guy apparently I did not go into it very easily. All right. Should be 4 packs in here, plus the promos. And you can tell I don't open these very often because I don't know what I'm doing here. Come on, open up. Oh, for a second I thought this was bent. Look at that big guy. Look at that big guy. Look at that. Look at him shine. I could reach all the way over there. I think my room's just a little too dark right now. Stellar Crown, Paradox Rift, Stellar Crown, and Twilight Masquerade. Eeny, meeny, miny, mo. All right. I'm guessing it's energy to the front. Basic dark energy. Chonk. Oh, a Raboot. Mo Rotom. Oh, Eevee. Gotta love the Eevees. Tornatus. Frogadier. Oh, we're about to show everybody what we got early, huh? Kanguru. Reverse Phalanx. Reverse Kofu. And Archaludon. Look at them. Oh. Be nice to these cards. I would have to say, out of these, my favorites are going to be that Raboot and the Lechonk, and of course the Eevee. It's another Eevee. Low kicks. Oh, I love this card. Oh, a trainer already? Mind Show. Another trainer. Reverse Meditite. Reverse Pommy. And Dash Out EX. Look at that little guy. He's so cute and delicious looking. Put him over there. And can I just say, the Eevees really like me. All right, this time we got Paradox Rift. Last time were some Stellar Crown. We got some Eevees And we got a Dish Hound EX. Let's see what we have in this pack. I think I'm getting pretty good at opening these on, well, never mind. Now, is this the same card trick? Because it should all be Sword and or whatever, Scarlet and Violet era. Pharaoh Seed. Gibble. Pampor. Blitzel. I love that art. I have more than one of them. Earthen Vessel. Medicinal Energy. Steenie. Reverse Onyx. I'm in love. I love it. I love it. Oh, I don't think my lighting is good enough here. And a low kicks. All right, so far we've been doing pretty good. We've gotten 2 of the same Eevees, the Blitzel I like, and we've gotten this Swallow. Look at that baby. I love it. Now we're getting light reflection because I turned on the light, but I felt like things are just too dark. Oh, it ripped right down the front of the pack. Well, that's something. Okay. Basic. Psychic. Oh, that's beautiful Ninetales. Trevant. Emolga. Frogadier. Lucian. Daramenababadaba. Oh, I think I have this as a holo. Venipede reverse, Clefairy reverse, and ooh, my son has the full art version of this guy. That is awesome. Well, that's what our pulls were. Let's see what we've got here. So we have the, ooh, no, that's not the promo. Did I lose the promo? Where's that other little dude? Drop the, oh, there he is. So we have the Grievard, Houndstone EX, Dash Bun, Walking Wake, and the full